everyone, welcome back to American Car Legends. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button because today we have something truly special, the 2027 Mercedes Barbarus Motorhome. This isn't just any RV. It's a statement on wheels, a luxury home on the move, and Mercedes-Benz has really pushed the boundaries with this one. From the moment you see it, you know this motorhome is built for people who demand both style and comfort while exploring the open road. Starting with the exterior, the Barbarus Motorhome is an imposing figure on the road. Mercedes has combined the sleekness of their signature design language with the robustness you expect from a high-end motorhome. Its aerodynamic profile is both functional and stylish, reducing wind resistance while giving it that futuristic look. The front fascia is dominated by a massive grille and the iconic three-pointed star, flanked by LED headlamps that are sharp, modern, and adaptive for night driving. Chrome accents along the edges of the windows and subtle body lines running along the sides give it a premium feel without being over the top. The paint options are equally impressive, ranging from classic metallic shades to custom colors, allowing owners to truly personalize their ride. And with the motorhome's overall length and height, it's clear this is a vehicle designed for extended journeys and full-on comfort. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by a cabin that feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. Mercedes has spared no expense in the interior design. The materials are top-notch soft-touch leather seating, polished wood veneers, and brushed metal finishes. The driver and passenger seats are not only ergonomically designed but also feature heating, cooling, and multi-directional adjustments to make even long drives comfortable. The dashboard is futuristic yet intuitive, with a fully digital cockpit, voice-controlled features, and a high-resolution infotainment system that integrates navigation, entertainment, and vehicle diagnostics seamlessly. Ambient lighting sets the mood inside, with customizable colors that create a cozy or vibrant atmosphere depending on your preference. Moving towards the living area, the Barbarus Motorhome truly shines. The space is intelligently designed to maximize comfort without feeling cramped. There's a fully equipped kitchen with a refrigerator, induction cooktop, oven, microwave, and plenty of storage for all your cooking essentials. The countertops are spacious and made of durable, easy-to-clean materials, and there's even a dining area that can comfortably seat 4 adults. The living room features plush seating, a foldable table, and a large flat-screen TV with a premium sound system. One of the most impressive aspects is how Mercedes has managed to include so much functionality while maintaining a clean, minimalist aesthetic. Large panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light, offering breathtaking views wherever you park. The sleeping quarters are equally luxurious. The Barbarus Motorhome can comfortably accommodate up to 4 people, with a master bedroom featuring a queen-sized bed, premium mattresses, and storage for clothing and personal items. Privacy curtains, ambient lighting, and climate control ensure restful nights on the road. There's also a secondary sleeping area that can be converted from the living room seating, giving flexibility for families or guests. The bathroom is a standout feature as well. Spacious, with a modern shower, high-quality fixtures, and even a vanity area. It's clear that Mercedes has prioritized convenience and luxury in every inch of this motorhome, performance-wise. The 2027 Barbarus Motorhome is as impressive as its design. It's powered by a high-efficiency Mercedes diesel engine with hybrid options for those looking to minimize environmental impact. Despite its size, the motorhome handles exceptionally well, thanks to adaptive suspension and advanced driver assistance systems. Steering is precise, braking is responsive, and the ride is smooth even on less than perfect roads. For longer trips, the fuel efficiency is respectable for a vehicle of this class, and the hybrid variant allows for electric-only driving in certain urban areas, reducing emissions and fuel costs. Mercedes has also equipped it with a state-of-the-art safety suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and collision prevention systems. These features give drivers confidence, especially when navigating tight roads or busy highways. Another notable aspect of the Barbarus Motorhome is its connectivity and smart features. Owners can control lighting, climate, and even entertainment systems via a mobile app, ensuring the interior is always ready for arrival. Solar panels on the roof provide supplementary power, and there are options for satellite internet and premium audiovisual setups. Mercedes has thought of every detail, from easy-to-clean flooring to modular storage solutions that make long-term travel stress-free. There's also a generous water tank and waste management system, ensuring the motorhome is self-sufficient for extended journeys. When it comes to pricing, the Barbarus is positioned firmly in the luxury segment, with a starting price that reflects the craftsmanship, technology, and exclusivity it offers. While it's certainly an investment, the combination of performance, comfort, and long-term reliability makes it an appealing option for those who treat travel as a lifestyle. Mercedes also offers a comprehensive warranty and service packages, which provides peace of mind when buying such a high-end motorhome. In terms of resale value, vehicles like this tend to hold their worth well, especially with proper maintenance, due to the brand's reputation and the growing demand for premium RVs. The Barbarus Motorhome is not just about comfort, it's also about freedom. It allows you to explore remote destinations without sacrificing the amenities of home. Whether it's a weekend getaway in the mountains, a cross-country adventure, or even living on the road full-time, this motorhome is versatile enough to handle it all. The driving experience is surprisingly enjoyable for such a large vehicle, with clear sightlines, intuitive controls, and advanced safety features making even long-distance trips relaxing. Mercedes has truly thought of the owner's lifestyle, blending luxury and practicality in a way few other manufacturers can match in terms of competition. The Barbarus sets a new benchmark in the luxury motorhome segment. While brands like Airstream, Winnebago, and Prevost offer high-end options, Mercedes' attention to detail, engineering precision, and premium materials put the Barbarus in a class of its own. It's not just about size or features. It's about how everything works together to create a seamless, enjoyable experience for both drivers and passengers. The integration of smart technologies, hybrid power options, and luxury living amenities really differentiates it from others in the market. Mercedes has also considered the aesthetics for owners who care about appearance as much as functionality. The exterior styling is sleek and modern, avoiding the boxy look that many motorhomes suffer from. LED accent lighting, polished alloys, and a carefully considered color palette make the Barbarus as much a statement piece as it is a vehicle. Owners can feel proud pulling up to any campsite or event, knowing they're driving something unique and unmistakably Mercedes. Overall, the 2027 Mercedes Barbarus Motorhome is a tour de force in the luxury RV world. It combines elegance, comfort, technology, and performance in a way that redefines what it means to travel on the road. From the premium interior materials and spacious layout to the advanced engine options and smart connectivity, every aspect of this motorhome has been thoughtfully designed. For anyone serious about road trips, extended travel, or simply enjoying the journey in unparalleled style, the Barbarus is an outstanding choice. Mercedes has proven once again that they can take a traditional vehicle concept, like a motorhome, and elevate it to a level of sophistication and innovation that few others can match. Thanks for watching today's review. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more car news and reviews right here on American Car Legends. And remember, this channel brings you the latest and most exclusive car content, so don't miss out on any of our upcoming reviews. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next one.